To use a Temu gift card, start by logging into your Temu account or creating a new one if you do not already have it. Once you are logged in, browse the website and select the items you want to purchase by adding them to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon and then click on the checkout button. On the checkout page, you will see a field that says Apply Gift Card. Click on this field and enter your gift card number and the PIN if required. The gift card number and PIN can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. After entering the gift card details, click on the Apply button. If the gift card balance is enough to cover the total cost of the items in your cart, you can proceed to place the order without entering any other payment method. However, if the gift card balance is not enough, you will need to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. You can use a credit or debit card, or other accepted payment methods on Temu. After applying the gift card and adding any additional payment method if necessary, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Check the items in your cart, the gift card balance, and the total cost if everything is correct. Click on the Place Order button to complete the purchase. It is also important to note that Temu gift cards do not expire and can be used to purchase any item on the website. However, it is always a good idea to check the terms and conditions of the gift card to understand any specific rules or restrictions. Additionally, if you have any issues with using your gift card, you can contact Temu customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily use a Temu gift card to make a purchase on the website. Remember to always keep your gift card details safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized use.